welcome to Tiza Karaoke. Please subscribe down below and comment, and God will bless you. Today we are going to study about most of us want to meet and settle down with the right person, and most of us want such a relationship to last. At the same time, the majority of romantic partnership end up in dissolution. What are some of the major causes? Below are 10 reasons why relations fails. Below are 10 reasons why relations fails. Number 1, trust issues. Trust issue. Lack or loss of trust is one of the most harmful contagious to a couple. Long-term success without trust, a relationship misses two of the key anchor to a strong bond: safety and security. Trust issues may include factors such as jealousy, possessiveness, unreasonable rigidity, emotional infidelity, physical, sexual infidelity, relational game playing, lack of reliability and dependability, lack of emotional support, lack of financial compatibility, and lack of mutual supportive goal. Number 2, different expectation. Different expectation. Your partner has different priority and expectation regarding the relationship. Never allow someone to be your priority while allowing yourself to be the option. Yes, never allow someone to be your priority while allowing yourself to be the option. Number 3, moving through life at different speed. Moving through life at different speed. When one partner is running and growing at rapid pace while the other is stagnating, this may be a source of relational divergence. When a partner is running and growing at rapid pace while the other is stagnating, this may be the source of relational divergence. Number 4, compatibility issues. Compatibility issues. Relational compatibility is a large topic worthy of full volume of its own. In my book, Relationship Compatibility explored in details from several perspectives, including compatibility in intimacy, compatibility in personality types, and compatibility in attachment style. Yes, number 5, communication issues. This is a big one. Numerous studies have identified communication as one of the top reasons for couples therapy, as well as one of the top reasons for breakup and divorce. Number 6, narcissism. Narcissism. Signs of narcissism may include superiority complex, grandiose self-image, entitlement, conceit, boundary violation, false charm, manipulation, irresponsibility, rule breaking, extreme selfishness, and negative emotion. Yes, that is narcissism. Number 7, relational abuse. Relational abuse is defined as the repeated mistreatment of an individual. Example of relational abuse include verbal, emotional, physical, or sexual abuse. Number 8, life habit abuse. Life habit abuse are a trait which, although may not directly involve the partner, such as secret gambling addiction, may ultimately affect the relationship in a destructive way. Example of life habit abuse include drug addiction, alcohol addiction, gambling addiction, sexual addiction. Number 9, growing apart, boredom, stillness, lat. Grown apart, boredom, stillness, lat. If you have been in a relationship for two years or less, and you and your partner have grown apart, it could be to a lack of commitment, different expectation, lack of compatibility, or natural process of trial and error in mate finding if you are in a long-term relationship. Number 10, money issues. Money issues. The longer The longer a couple has been together in a committed relationship, the greater the possibility of financial incompatibility, according to research, make people break up. Yes, money issues. Welcome to my channel. We have talked about 10 reasons why relations fails. 10 reasons about why relations fails. Yes. Please build your relationship. Yes. Trust your partner. Yes. Have a good expectation. Yes. All of these sort of things. May God bless you. May God, as you learn 10 reasons why relations fails, so you build your goals in your relationship. Make your relationship better by learning these 10 reasons why relations fails. Please subscribe on my channel and learn more. Bye.